Well, hey everyone, this is Shirish and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm back with another amazing university, but this time it's Singapore University, Nanyang Technological University or NTU. Well, I've got a tons of requests for NTU and here it is. Before I start this video, I want to share a quick update since a lot of you reached out to me on my Instagram about my program. Well, every summer I help small group of college applicants through my very special and power-packed program IB Cohort. It's an 8-week high-power online program with me and my team to help you build your winning college applications for admissions. You will be able to build your entire application during these 8 weeks of high-intensity mentorship. So if you're interested in this program, click on the link in the description box and know all the details, and I will see you live in the program. Well, for this video, I will give you an in-depth view of the university and then we'll decode the academic, social and financial aspects of the university with my star ratings. And then I will offer you the most important tips and strategies to get into NTU. So let's hit it up for NTU. Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve. NTU is a national research university based in Singapore. It was established in 1981 as Nanyang Technological Institute and was finally recognized as a university in 1991. It was the second most prestigious university in Singapore right after NUS and is considered as one of the best ones in the world for technical courses. It is an autonomous university. Universities that control the day-to-day activities and curriculum. That's what autonomous means. In 2021, it was ranked 12th by QS World Ranking Services. NTU is located in Singapore in the urban setting. Singapore is a small country with amazing opportunities and facilities for students to enjoy. Apart from tourism attractions like Garden by the Bay, Marina Bay Sands, Botanical Gardens, Sentosa, and many more, there are a lot of work opportunities available. The most significant sectors in Singapore are telecommunications, banking, transportation, and manufacturing. NTU campus is one of the most beautiful campuses in the world. Recognized by various architectural magazines, its mixture of Japanese, Singaporean, and British architects' design make it more inviting for people. The main campus, Univ Garden campus, is 200 hectares, the largest in Singapore. The Novena campus is smaller in comparison to Univ campus. All colleges at the campus are equipped with state-of-the-art facilities. The NTU Smart Campus is a living testbed of tomorrow's technological that demonstrates how innovative digital and technology-enabled solutions support better learning and living experiences, the discovery of new knowledge and sustainability of resources. It's amazing. The most popular majors at NTU include physics, engineering, computer science, material science, chemistry, optics, business, neuroscience, and nanotechnology. Well, although I'm not a big fan of judging a university solely on the basis of ranking, NTU is still one of the top 1% universities in the world according to US News, QS News, and all other major ranking services. All right, now let's move on to our next section, talking about the right fit, starting with academic fit. Academics at NTU are extremely competitive. With the largest engineering college in the world with 6 schools focused on technology and innovation, NTU is leading in the engineering field on each front. The college offers a rich array of interdisciplinary programs as well as double degrees, double majors, and integrated programs. But that is not it. Apart from engineering, NTU has a lot to offer to the world. The courses at NTU are challenging and competitive in nature. It offers a wide range of programs by schools within engineering, business science and humanities, arts and social science, and autonomous study options. The business school offers one of the world's top 50 MBA programs and 3-year direct honors degree programs in accountancy and business. School of Sciences offers us unique interdisciplinary programs such as the Bachelor of Science in Economics and Data Sciences, a double major Bachelor of Science in Physics and Mathematical Sciences. Business school also offers some top postgraduate programs like MBA, MS in Business Analytics, Marketing Science, Financial Engineering, MS in Asset and Wealth Management, a huge array of courses available at NTU. The new model of medical schools, the School of Medicine combines NTU's core strengths in engineering and business with Imperial College London's world-renowned medical expertise. The school prepares the brightest minds for the demands for 21st century healthcare and has introduced innovations to medical education. The S. Rajaratnam School of International Studies is an autonomous graduate institution of NTU. The school has the Institute of Defense and Strategic Studies that is long recognized as the World Authority on Strategic Studies and Terrorism Prevention. NTU is one of the 7 founding members of the Global Alliance of Technological Universities, which is called Global Tech, a network of top technological universities united in addressing global issues through cutting-edge, leading-edge science and technology. The 8 members of Global Tech are Carnegie Mellon University or CMU, Georgia Institute of Technology USA, Imperial College of London, Indian Institute of Technology Bombay, NTU, which is Nanyang Technological University, Shanghai Jiaotong University, Technical University of Munich, and University of New South Wales. NTU performs cutting-edge research through various strategic national and international research programs. The university hosts 2 out of the 5 national research centers of excellence, the Earth Observatory of Singapore and Singapore Center for Environmental Life Sciences Engineering, both conducting research aligned with the long-term strategic interests of Singapore and the world. One of the things, NTU is the world's first university to allow credits from massive open learning courses, which are MOOCs, hosted on Coursera, to be used to fulfill degree requirements. That is really wonderful. The faculty at NTU is amazing and experienced in their subjects. Professors have their respective researches, which students can get involved in. Most students have expressed satisfaction with the kind of attention they are able to get from the staff to clarify their doubts. The class size at NTU is small to average. Most of the classes are 20 students at most out of there, and few of them can go up to 50 to 100 students as well. So keeping all this thing in mind, I would like to rate NTU with 5 stars on academic difficulty and quality level, where 5 is the highest level. After academic, let's move on to social fit. Social life at NTU is very happening. Many sports, recreational games, and performing arts activities within the residential hall communities are a regular event that can be enjoyed by any interested student. NTU encourages student participation all year round, which is amazing. Singapore has a lot of tourist attractions that can be explored for fun weekend. There are a lot of museums available for students to explore. Video game cafes are also one of the main attractions, and you can also learn how to surf too. There are more than 100 student organizations in NTU. These include constituent clubs, non-constituent clubs, academic clubs, cultural clubs, welfare societies, sports club, arts club, and clubs for various religion and interests. A lot of students are involved in social and volunteer services, which is deemed normal for the campus. The university also has a museum within campus where you can enjoy art and learn a lot too. At the time of recording this video, NTU has about 33,000 students, about 24,000 as undergrad and remaining as PGs and PhDs. The university is about 15 to 20% student body as international, and NTU is trying regularly to attract international students to keep the campus a diverse place. Housing is limited, but it is guaranteed to all incoming freshmen. NTU has about 23 halls of residence for undergraduates, each with a capacity between 500 to about 650 residents. All halls are co-ed with a lot of facilities available like lounges, air-conditioned reading rooms, pantries and laundry rooms with washing machines and dryers. There are many off-campus options available near campus as well. Most of the postgraduate students prefer living off-campus. For NTU students, the meal plans are available within the student accommodation. The food is pretty good as per the students. The quality and variety are plentiful. Apart from college meal plans, a lot of on-campus and off-campus food, beverages options are also available. Through a plethora of sports, competitive as well as recreational activities, NTU provides various avenues for students to learn life skills, build character, and pursue a healthy lifestyle. Around 23 competitive sports teams are there on campus, like badminton, basketball, floorball, handball, soccer, squash being the best of the team. There are also water sports like canoe polo, aquathon, water polo, etc. that students can find interesting. NTU offers competitive academics and a great social life as well. I would like to give it 5 stars out of 5 on quality of life at NTU. Well, now let's look at the financial fit. NTU falls in an expensive school category, but the expenditure really depends. You can expect about $25,000 to $40,000 Singapore dollars in annual tuition expenses. It's cheaper for domestic students, which is around 10 to 15 Singapore dollars. But the tuition fee for postgraduate MBA and business programs can go up to Singapore dollar 65,000 per annum. The housing and dining may fall about 10 to 15,000 Singapore dollars for most. As far as financial aid is concerned, NTU offers a lot of scholarship opportunities based on merit, averaging about 15 to 20,000 Singapore dollars. A lot of third-party and athletic scholarships are also available. NTU's sponsored scholarships are offered in recognition of academic excellence and leadership potential. NTU offers a variety of scholarships to new as well as current students. NTU scholarships are generally awarded to students based on academic merit and good co-curricular records. So it's an overall way that you can get the scholarship. I would like to give it 4 stars out of 5 on financial fit. Well, after exploring well, let's move on to the most curious section on how to triple your chances of admission to getting into NTU with my special admission tips and strategies. The areas I'm going to share now come from my decade-long experience working with students for career and college admission. NTU is one of the elite colleges that are highly selective. The acceptance rate last year was just 36%, but it's way less than for the international students. NTU is highly competitive. When it comes to admissions, NTU follows a holistic approach, unlike the common notion that only good grades can get you here. Although that's true to a large extent, NTU is a little bit more liberal in their admission process. Yes, there is a high academic cutoff point, and if you make through it, it's easy for you to handle the rest of the things. Generally, you must have 90% or higher in high school, which is about 38 IB points, around 3.5 GPA. For postgraduates, anything about 7.5 are preferably closer to 8 GPA is great. If you're applying for engineering programs, NTU is amongst the world's best. Its engineering school is highly ranked and has an excellent outreach. Research and development is vital building block for excellence at NTU College of Engineering. So make sure to demonstrate your research interest for engineering programs. For business programs, remember the 3 words: innovate, lead, and transform. You must display these attributes in your application. Think about how you can build your profile around these characteristics of innovation, leadership, and transformation. Challenge yourself and go beyond the boundaries of your discipline to discover new courses that will help you open unparalleled opportunities in the professional world. Apart from your academic grades, test scores, co-curricular, and hobbies, even everything counts for NTU admission. Participate in activities that will help you build a great profile. In general, NTU looks for leaders with intellectual diversity. You must work to develop skills that will enable you to face the future challenges with optimism and confidence. So participate in leadership activities, competitive competitions, and also community-based activities. NTU has community as a core pillar. So talk about your participation in a diverse group of people with a sense of community. That's super important. The main essay plays an important role too, for both undergraduate and postgraduate admissions. Talk about your achievements and how did you manage to achieve them. Very important. Essays provide an insight on how you have achieved something. Talk about how have you faced challenges with optimism and challenges with positive mindset. I do understand it might not be easy to talk about these in your essays, as many students don't know how to, and that's why I highly recommend you to take professional help, as it will help you a great deal. Maybe consider joining the program IB cohort, where we help showcasing your qualities through essays and application, or any other, whatever is comfortable for you. NTU application process is simple as compared to its US and UK counterpart, and it's very similar to any US application. The deadline for different boards and different countries are different, but mostly lie between February and March for international students and go up to June for domestic applicants. For undergraduates, NTU has something called direct entry. So medalists like gold, silver, or bronze in international science Olympiads, competitions in biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, informatics, astronomy and astrophysics will be considered for admission more favorably to programs related to their field of achievement, which I think is a great plus. So make sure to participate in such Olympiads, as this will give you a huge boost to your admission chances. Transfer applicants are accepted between January and February every year, although every course has specific prerequisite that applicant must meet before applying. Students regardless of nationality who have studied for a term or more at a university, locally or overseas, may apply as a transfer student. Admissions offers is based on year 1 entry. Successful applicants may apply formally for assessments for transfer of credit. Determination is, however, on case-by-case basis. For postgraduates, the applications are department-wise and consist of an interview, which is generally face-to-face or even online, whichever is a preferred medium. Applicants are required to submit an online application via the NTU application portal, and deadline for most postgraduate admissions are in January for August start date and for July for January start date. In the end, to conclude, if you are hardworking, okay with an intense workload, love to socialize, interested in research, a good leader, NTU is for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to support my work by liking and sharing this video, and also subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. But if you want to get admission to NTU or other top universities, I would highly recommend you to check out this course on college admission. Well, I have created this course with 11 years of my expertise and helped thousands of students to get admitted to top colleges such as Harvard, MIT, NUS, Oxford, Cambridge, Stanford, and all other top colleges around the world. This course packs the most advanced college admission strategies for university shortlisting, profile building, essay writing, college interviews, and everything else that will make sure you get into the school of your choice. It's a sure ticket for your dream college admission. Well, thank you once again for tuning in, and I'll be back with another amazing video for you. Till then, this is Shirish signing off. Take care. Have a good one. Bye.